What if I told you numbers can predict the future? Yes, you heard that right. Data holds the power of unlocking insight that help businesses grow and make smarter decisions. Whether it's the ad you see or the recommendation on your favorite streaming platform, it's all driven by data. And the best part, you don't have to be math genius or to dive into this world. In fact, this as simple as brewing a cup of coffee. Hi, I am Taib and I am thrilled to be your guide on this exciting journey into data analytics. Whether you are looking to switch careers, level up your skill, or simply feed your curiosity, this video is for you. Today we are going to explore the basic of data analytics and the key tools you'll need and tips to kickstart your journey. Ready? Let's jump in. So what exactly is data analytics? At its core, data analytics is the process of collecting, cleaning, and analyzing data to uncover useful insights. Imagine you're running a coffee shop and suddenly your sales skyrocket on Saturday. Wouldn't you want to know why? That's where data analytics comes in. By looking at patterns like customer behavior, promotion, or even the weather, you can find out exactly what drove those sales. So before we move on, here is a question. Have you ever seen data influence a decision? Share your story in the comments. Let's move on to explore the fourth main types of data analytics. Each type provides a unique perspective on data analytics and serve a specific purpose. First, we have descriptive analytics. This type answers the question, what did happen? It's all about summarizing past performance. For instance, if you run a coffee shop, descriptive analytics would help you to figure out how many coffees were sold last week. Once we know what happened, the next logical question is, why did it happen? This is where we move from simply describing events to understanding the causes behind them. Here is why diagnostic analytics come into the picture. It focuses on uncovering the reasons behind trends or outcomes. If your coffee shop's sales dropped last month, this diagnostic analytics can help you discover why. Was it because bad weather or perhaps a new competitor opened nearby? After figuring out why something happened, the next step is looking ahead and asking what likely to be happen in the future. That's where this next type of analysis comes in. Predictive analytics uses past data to forecast future outcomes. By analyzing trends, you can predict which coffee flavor will be popular next month, allowing you to prepare accordingly. Next up, we are going to tackle the challenge of deciding what action to be taken based on our analysis. This is where the final type of analysis becomes essential, and that's where prescriptive analytics step in. It goes beyond just analyzing data by suggesting the best action to take based on trends. Think of it as your guide, offering tips on how to tweak your pricing, refine marketing strategies, or improving product offerings to get better results. Time to explore the tools and you need to know to get started in data analytics. We will cover everything you need to kick off your journey. First up is Excel, the tool many of us are already familiar with, but did you know that it's one of the most powerful tools for beginners into data analytics? You can filter data, create pivot tables, and even build charts and graphs. It's the perfect starting point for any aspiring data analyst. Next, we have SQL. Think of SQL as language of databases. It's like having a searchlight in dark room filled with files. Just as searchlight illuminates specific area, SQL allow you to pinpoint exact data you need. By crafting precise query, SQL help you to navigate through massive datasets, extracting the most valuable insight without getting lost in the clutter. Third tool is Power BI, the powerful tool for data visualization. It takes your complex dataset and turns them into interactive, visually engaging dashboard. Whether you are presenting to your team or executives, Power BI makes it easy for non-technical stakeholders to grasp the trends and insight hidden in your data. Finally, we have Python, a powerful house for data analysis with libraries like Pandas and NumPy that makes manipulating and analyzing data a breeze. With Python, you can clean up massive datasets, perform complex calculation, and even build predictive models. It's a tool of choice for more advanced data analysts looking to take their skills to the next level. I promise learning Python isn't that scary as it sounds. You won't need a snake charmer. In fact, once you see how it simplifies various tasks, including data analysis, you will wonder how you managed without it. So before we continue, here's a question: which tools are your most exciting to learn? Share your thoughts in the comments. Now that we know the tools, let's talk about how to get started in data analytics. You might be wondering, where do I start? Well, start with Excel. It's accessible and beginner friendly. From there, practice SQL to manage databases. Dive into Python from there for more advanced analysis, and explore Power BI for creating stunning visualization. Well, before we wrap up this video, here a quick tip for you: immerse yourself in practical experience. Platforms like Kaggle offer free datasets and competitions where you can test your skills. Real world practice will not only help you to sharpen your expertise, but also give you the confidence to apply what you have learned in real scenarios. Data analytics is more than numbers. It's about finding meanings in data to make better decisions. Whether you are working with small datasets or analyzing large-scale business trends, these tools and techniques will help you to uncover valuable insight. And remember, every expert was once a beginner. So keep practicing and keep exploring. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more insights on data analytics. Let's build a community of learners. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below and tell me what excites you most about data analytics. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.